Hi, I'm Gregg from RVHaulers. Have you been thinking about having your own RV hauler that maybe looks like this? Or like this or this? You've got good timing. Everything at our RV hauler store is on sale, 30% off. Let me show you what you can get. While our inventory lasts, we have our standard 16-inch deep drum boxes in stock. We ship them to you on a pallet. No heavy lifting required. Lift it by hand. I have a nice inventory of our can steps. These steps for your Volvo Gen 2 or Gen 3 help those of us that maybe have bad knees or bad hips get up into your RV hauler. We also have our 12-foot ramps. They come apart in 6-foot sections and they're strong enough to take certainly your smart car, side-by-side, ATVs, or Jeep or Bronco up onto the bed. Powder-coated wheel chocks, wheel straps, tracking to tie all of your toys down on your bed securely. And I got plenty of our CAN boards, our North American manufactured and engineered device that converts the commercial standard of wiring to the RV standard of wiring that we all need. And I think our flagship product is certainly our CAN bed. This modular, never rust, carbon fiber engineered solution will accommodate short vehicles all the way up to long vehicles, and you can build it yourself in one day, I promise you. Everything you've seen here today is on our store, RVHaulers.com. Go check out the pricing and availability. Everything is 30% off. It's my first sale. Check it out.